Alright, let's look at the practice exam 2, problem number 5. Alright, so let's simplify this difference quotient with respect to y here. Alright, so so this is going to be equal to, right? So let's just use the function notation to write it out. Alright, so x stays the same, but whenever we see y, we're going to put y plus delta y. Alright, so you have 3x stays the same, y, and I'm going to put the y plus delta y. Right? Plus, we see another y, so instead we put y plus delta y. Then you have to square that. Right? Minus f of x comma y, which is the original function, so I'm going to just copy that. 3xy plus y squared. Right? Then you have a delta y on the bottom. Alright, then we can just multiply out and see if we can cancel a bunch of terms. Right? By distributing 3x to y and delta y, we're going to get 3xy plus 3x delta y, right? And then we can multiply this out square, so that's going to be a square, y square, plus 2ab, so plus 2y times delta y, right? Plus delta y squared, right? Then we can also distribute this negative sign to those two terms. We can write negative 3xy minus y squared. Then you have delta y on the bottom. Alright, then we can cancel 3xy here and minus 3xy, and we have a y squared and minus y squared. Then we look at the remaining terms here, 3x delta y and 2y delta y and the delta y squared. Right? Seems like all three of them has delta y in it, so I'm going to factor that out. So factor delta y. Then what's left is 3x from there, and a 2y from there, and another delta y from there. Right? Then you have divided by delta y. Then we can cancel delta y on top and delta y on the bottom. And what's left is 3x plus 2y plus delta y. Right? So that's the difference quotient. Right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.